Welcome to Easy English Podcast, your calm and simple space to improve your English. This is your English speaking course where we focus on helping you improve your speaking and listening skills, expand your daily vocabulary, train your brain to think in English, and most importantly, break the fear of speaking. Just relax, breathe slowly, and enjoy the sound of English. In this first episode, we begin with something simple, something natural, something you can say every day. Introducing yourself. Let's start with a simple sentence. My name is, yes, that's it. You can say, my name is Adam. Now say it with me slowly. My name is Adam. Great job. Now try your own name. My name is your name. That's how conversations begin. That's how confidence begins. When you say your name in English, you are telling the world, I'm ready to speak. I'm here to connect. I belong in this conversation. Now let's add more. You can say, try this. I'm from Morocco. Or, I'm from India. I'm from Egypt. You can use your own country. Say it out loud. Say it proudly. I'm from your place. Great. You're doing well. Let's try the full sentence. My name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. Again, my name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. Say it again. The more you say it, the more natural it feels. English speaking course is not about big words. It's about small steps every day. Now let's add your job. You can say, I work as, this is useful. For example, I work as a teacher. I work as a driver. I work as a student. Even if you are not working, you can say, I'm a student, or I'm looking for a job. So let's say the whole thing now. My name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. I work as a teacher. One more time, slowly. My name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. I work as a teacher. Excellent. Now take a moment, repeat that in your mind. Close your eyes and say it. Imagine meeting someone new. What do you say? Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. I work as a teacher. That's the beginning of a connection. That's the beginning of a conversation. And that is what spoken English learning videos and this English speaking full course for beginners are all about. Making English part of your real life. You don't need to memorize long grammar rules now. You don't need a classroom. You need your voice. You need your thoughts. You need these words to live in your mind and flow out of your mouth. That is how we train the brain to think in English. Step by step, with basic English grammar full course principles in every sentence you speak. You can now try saying more. My name is Sarah. I'm from Spain. I work as a designer. Or, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. I'm a student. Or even, my name is Maria. I'm from Brazil. I'm learning English. These are real. These are simple. These are powerful. This is not just vocabulary. This is your story, your words, your voice. Just by speaking this way, you are already joining an English language learning course. You are creating your own practice. You are growing your vocabulary and practicing English comprehension full course techniques naturally. Try talking to yourself in the mirror. Try talking in your head. Try repeating these sentences while walking, cooking, or before sleeping. This is how your mind learns, not by pressure, but by calm repetition, by listening and speaking softly, naturally. Do you see now? The fear of speaking English is not real. It's a habit. And you can change that habit with this English learning and speaking course. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. The more you listen, the clearer it sounds. You are not just learning English, you are living English. So right now, I want you to say this again. My name is Adam. I'm from Morocco. I work as a teacher. I like learning English. That last part is important. I like learning English. Say it, feel it, believe it, because this is your journey, and you are not alone. We are building your skills, your confidence, and your voice together. This is your English grammar and speaking course. This is your space to grow. So relax, speak slowly, and enjoy each moment. You're doing something great. You're practicing, you're showing up. And that's what matters. This is not just a spoken English course. This is a habit, a mindset, a path to the best version of you in English. Let's keep going. Now that you can introduce yourself with a few basic sentences, let's learn how to talk more about yourself, your hobbies, your daily life, your dreams. These things make conversations real and interesting. For example, you can say, "In my free time, I like reading." Or, "I enjoy listening to music." Let's say it together. In my free time, I like reading. I enjoy listening to music. Try your own sentence. What do you like? Think about it. You can say, "I love cooking." "I enjoy watching movies." "I like learning English." All of this are true, natural, and simple. Remember, this is a complete English vocabulary course. Not just big words, but words you can actually use every day. Say something true about you, something simple, something real. We are not trying to be perfect. We are trying to be brave. That's the real key. That's the goal of this English speaking and understanding course. We want you to speak without fear, to talk even if you make mistakes, to use your words and trust your voice. Let's keep practicing. Imagine someone asks, "What do you do?" You can answer, "I work as a teacher," or "I'm a student." If someone says, "Where are you from?" You say, "I'm from Morocco," or "I'm from India." If they ask, "What do you like to do?" You say, "I like reading." "I enjoy running." These are basic sentences, but they are the foundation of confidence. That's how spoken English learning videos become part of your day. Let's go deeper. Try this sentence. "I'm learning English because I want to travel," or "I want to speak with people from other countries," or "I want to grow my career." You can say your reason. Why are you learning English? Think about your answer. Say it out loud. Say it slowly. Now let's try putting it all together. My name is Amina. I'm from Egypt. I work as a nurse. I like watching movies in English. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. This is a real introduction. It's full of meaning, full of your identity. This is what we do in the best English speaking course for beginners. We speak our truth in English, with courage. If you repeat this every day, your brain starts thinking in English. You don't have to translate in your head anymore. You just speak. That's how the English learning course, step by step, helps you train your mind. Let's take a moment, a breathing moment. Just breathe and repeat silently. I can speak English. I am learning step by step. I enjoy this process. Yes, you do. And we are here for that. This English reading and speaking course is your quiet place to learn. Let's try more sentences. I live in Casablanca. I have two brothers. I speak Arabic and a little English. I want to improve. These are daily sentences. These are your daily life in English. It's not about hard grammar rules. It's about speaking naturally, slowly, softly, clearly. Here are more examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee in the morning. I go to work by bus. I come home in the evening. I study English at night. You see, this is your life. just in English. This is part of your English reading and writing full course, thinking in English about your day. Every time you do this, you get closer to fluency. Every time you speak, you gain power. This is your voice. This is your way. No pressure, no fear, only calm, quiet confidence. That's why this is called Easy English Podcast, because learning should feel easy, soft, and natural. Say this again. I enjoy learning English. I am getting better every day. I love this journey. These are not just phrases. They are mindset phrases. This is the heart of our English comprehension full course. We want you to feel good while learning. You are now practicing your English grammar full course step by step. You're not only learning how to introduce yourself, you're learning how to connect with the world. That's what language is for, to connect. Now here's a quiet practice. Close your eyes. Imagine someone asks, "Can you tell me about yourself?" Take a deep breath and answer, "Yes, my name is your name. I'm from your country. I work as your job. In my free time, I enjoy your hobby. I'm learning English because your reason." Say that again and again. Say it until it feels easy. That's how fluency grows. Not with speed, but with calm repetition. Not with fear, but with joy. This is your English grammar and speaking course in action. You are not just repeating phrases. You are building your story in English. You are training your brain to think, speak, and live in English. This is your own English speaking full course for beginners. You can listen again and again. You can practice as you walk, as you rest, as you cook. The words become your own. The language becomes familiar. And when you introduce yourself next time, you will do it with a smile, with a calm heart, and with real confidence. Because you have practiced, because you are ready, because this is your time to speak. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving your energy to this journey. You're part of a complete English speaking course playlist, a space where your voice matters, where your story matters, where your learning is real. Just remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. You don't need big words. You need true words. You don't need fear. You need faith in yourself, and you already have that.